I didn't order this.
Oh, I don't know what happened first, the chicken or the egg. You tell me. But you're amazing.
Wait, hold up.
And you should never give up on your daydream. Hey, my royal phoenixes. I love you and miss you. We're going to talk briefly about nails. We're going to get more into this in depth into another video and guys, it's 5:47 in the morning. I haven't gone to bed yet. My wigs are one thing I kind of stay on top of, so I don't have any wigs that I didn't receive. I'm so confused. So, hey guys, so I wanted to talk to you really quick because I didn't get to do a whole lot of bougie-ish stuff today, though I dressed up pretty and bougie, I like to think, but I just didn't get a chance to record. Today was pretty crazy with everything that's been going on, which you know if you've seen my other vlogs. And then my son had his play today of The Lion King. Oh my gosh, that was incredible. And then it was a snowstorm here / like blizzard coming in, and I had told one of my phoenixes, Kylie, I would come over and do her nails because she loved these. So, and I had actually gotten the rest of my stuff in, so I have, you know, the number 2, number 3. I actually got a slightly different version of Bond and not this brand. And then I got the powder in. And then for a clear coat, I just used a clear coat. And I did her nails. And I have to say, the nail itself actually came out really good. And then I just did a test run on 2 of my nails. And I really like the way it looked. This is not the color I thought it was going to be. I thought this was going to be, it looked different online. It says short, beautiful fashion wig made in China. But so I ended up getting a different color, but I really like the way that they came out. I like the way that they feel, which I was just looking up. I thought I had posted the video. I had done a cornstarch nail video, and I did the cornstarch and nail polish, and then I switched it up and I did cornstarch and crazy glue on this hand instead. So this hand was cornstarch and nail polish. This hand was cornstarch and crazy glue. And this hand actually held up a lot better. And then, so when I got the number 2 and I smelt it, it smells like crazy glue. And then with the powder and dipping my finger, I'm wondering if that is where someone might have come up with the whole cornstarch and nail polish idea. Or I don't know what happened first, the chicken or the egg. You tell me. But I think that's where the whole cornstarch and nail polish idea might have come from. Like I said, I've got to look again. If I didn't put that video up, I will find it and put it up. But I'm pretty sure, I thought I did. I thought I put it in a vlog, and I thought I put it up on here somewhere. I don't know what the heck I called it. I might have stuck it in with some other random nonsense because, you know, I do that.
Because I am funny.
But, yeah, I did. Like I said, this hand I did cornstarch and nail polish, and this hand was, no, this hand was nail polish and cornstarch. This hand was crazy glue and cornstarch. And this hand actually held up a lot better. Anyways, I digress from that. Have I ordered so many wigs? It's like I get a free one now? Like what? I don't understand what's going on. What I do want to talk about is this in general. So I'm going to actually do a tutorial on this and put it on my other channel. I'm also going to be doing makeup tutorials and stuff like that on the other channel. I just want to talk about this. I really like this. I actually really like just like the handle in general too. I think this is really great. I've heard that there's other products like this too, not just Kira Sky. Kira Sky is not the only brand that sells this. I did, it was actually cheaper for me, which I said before, to buy these individually than together. So these are each $10. I think this was almost $13. I did get an off-brand Bond, which I think was $7. And then I just used for a top coat, this was $1.99. So that's what it looks like after I've filed them and everything. I mean, I'm all pretty. Not the gold ones. The gold ones are still, because what I've been doing lately is I've actually just been gluing nail tips on, and what I'll do is I'll glue one here, and then I'll glue one here, and then I'll glue a third one over top, which gives them the strength. And these have been on since before St. Patrick's Day, you guys. So they hold up really well for me anyways. But I wanted to give this a try. I do really like it, and this was kind of my cheaper version of doing it. Now, if you go to Kira Sky and you buy the full kit, the starter kit, I think, is $100. I still think it's worth it. I'm not saying that you can't buy the full set. It's just I'm on a budget when I was getting all this stuff and wanted to try it out. So I like these. Like I said, I just got the number 2, the number 3, a powder that I liked. I bought a cheaper Bond. I just made sure it was pro Bond, like an actual Bond. And then this is $1.99 for a clear coat. And yeah, I love it. I'm not gonna complain. I love wigs. I am a little scared though. I don't know what a free wig looks like, so I don't. So far, anyways, I've only had them on for. I've had mine on now for like maybe an hour. But I will do a tutorial on this on my other channel, and I will let you guys know when that channel is up and ready. I definitely didn't order this. It is kind of hard doing daily vlogs and then also trying to edit tutorials and get those going. So it's just a lot's going on. But I just wanted to let you know. And is this a shirt or is it PJs? Or is it both? I got a wig cap. That came with it. And this is like my boy wig. Like, but this one says men's short-haired wig. Because if you guys know, I love wearing my pajamas in public. This is actually a top that looks like pajamas, and it's got matching velvet. Yeah, we're gonna get into this. So we're gonna get back to Bad and Boujee. I said I'm gonna double up and catch up on what I missed for this week and everything. This looks like another men's short-haired wig. I can tell you that right now. It's just, I'm gonna take tomorrow off. I'm gonna breathe. I'm gonna get my nails did by me, and I'm just gonna relax. So maybe it's a sign from the universe to hurry up and make my male alter ego. I'm just gonna toss it on over this, my hair. I do like it though. I just wish the color would not have been so mundane. I really wanted just more of a pinky, but it's okay. I did did not order this wig. I love you. You're a king. You're a queen. You're part of the royal court. Never give up on your daydream. Please don't be a mass murderer. Know that I love you and support you. Just don't be a mass murderer. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Well, no, probably maybe tomorrow. I can't say no because I might. You like what you see and you want to hang with me. Subscribe. Every day we do something brand new, and I want to hear from you. So subscribe. Yay! Oh my gosh. Yeah, this color would not look the best on me. I mean, this is... And I'm going to do a tutorial on my other video that you guys can check out, and I will let you know when I post about this again. That's when that video will be ready. So I'll let you know.
Shameless plug. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and also be sure to check me out on my other social medias. And we got the merch coming soon. I love you guys.
Well, let's go ahead and talk about this roll. Okay. This is a boy's wig. I mean, it's a cute. I think it's probably really a wig for people who want short hair, which is fine. It's cute. It's not my thing. I mean, it doesn't look the worst on me. I'm not. It's just not something I would wear or do to my hair. I didn't order this. Anyways, so yes, now I don't know. I'm really confused. I was like hoping like for like some super long pretty wig, like I didn't know what it was. And it's like, yeah. I'm not sure if I just got a free one because I've ordered so many. If that's the case, thank you. I don't know. I don't. I'm really confused. So yeah, okay.
And you say I can love you myself.